So it doesn't have the 12 millimeters. It's got 13, 11, no 12. And this thing broke on one use, taking off a tire lug nut. Not good. Brand new, but no 12-inch. And I have to put a tape because these things fall off real easy. So you gotta kind of put a piece of tape to stay locked in place. Here is not too bad, and sometimes these are really hard to remove. I put a magnet for when you drop things. Really hard to pull out, but better too hard to pull out than, again, I tape it all. And you gotta make sure that you open it up with the DEWALT sign up. Otherwise, all these things will just be falling off.